Hi, so today we're going to be learning we're going to be doing tables again, and we're going to be learning addition and subtraction rules. It's chapter 7, lesson 5, okay? So it's important that you read this. You can use a rule to write an equation that describes a pattern between input and output numbers. Tables can be used to show how input numbers change in the same way each time, creating a new output number. The same way each time. That's important. Your rule is going to be the same for each table. The rule does not change, okay? Let's look at this example. Mr. Mathis is creating a table to show how input numbers are changed. Write an equation that describes the pattern in the table. Complete the table. So you need to look at what's happening here. What is happening between the 2 and the 9, between the 4 and the 11, between the 6 and the 13? So what could I add to 2 to get 9? You would add 7. Now I'm going to write this here just in case. What would I write? What is the difference between 4 and 11? What would I add to 4 to get 11? 7 again, plus 7. You always want to check these, as many as you can. What do I add to the 6 to get 13? Plus 7. Okay. So the rule is add 7. And the rule is going to be the same. You're going to think of it like a machine. This is what is going into the machine. You're putting a 2 in the machine. Once it's in the machine, this whole center part is happening. You put a 2 into the machine. Inside the machine, it goes blah, 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 blah. It adds 7 and out pops 9. You put a 4 into the machine. The same thing is going to happen in the machine each time. You put a 4 in, add 7, you get an 11. You put a 6 into the machine. It adds 7, you get a 13. We know our rule now, okay? And this is input is X and output is Y. So X plus 7, that's our rule, equals Y. So whatever we put here, we add 7 to it to get Y. Use the rule to complete the table, okay? So we're going to do that. Now we're going to go 8 plus 7 equals, what's 8 plus 7? Equals 15. 10 plus 7, 17. And 12 plus 7 is 19. So the equation that describes the pattern is X plus 7 equals Y. The rule is plus 7. Okay? This is what happens inside the machine. Okay? Let's look at example number 2 and see if we can figure this one out. A pizza shop offers $3 off any order over $10. Use the rule and equation to find the next 4 output numbers. Okay, so they've given us our rule this time. We know the rule is subtract 3. So subtract 3 is going to happen every time here, because this is what's happening inside the machine. 11 goes in, $11 goes in the machine, it takes 3 away, and we get $8. Okay, so $12 goes in the machine, we subtract 3 and we get $9. 9. C minus 3, or 14 minus 3, we can do this one here. It's the same. C minus 3 equals D. 14 minus 3 equals $11. $16 minus 3 inside the machine equals $13. And 18 minus 3 inside the machine equals $15. And we can't forget to go here. So 14 minus 3, we've already done them. 11. 16, 13, and 18 minus 3 is $15. So the next 4 amounts are We already wrote them here, but we can do them again. $9, $11, $13, and $15. Describe another pattern you see in the chart. Well, maybe you should take some time to do this. One thing I see is that all of these numbers are they're becoming greater numbers, okay? One thing I notice here is that the input is even. Well, no, so this input is odd, this is even, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd. So that's something to notice. So you're going to look and note anything that you could put there. Yours might be different than what I would put, okay? There's several different, you can come up with different patterns or different things that you notice, okay? So you'll do this one with your class. Write an equation that describes the pattern, then use the equation to find the next 3 output numbers. Now remember, what goes in, it's always going to be the same right here, okay? The rule will not change. So you're going to have to try to figure out what that rule is.